Hello, True Crime Stories family. Welcome back. It has been a crazy week at the Lori Vallow Daybell trial. No one has been in court to support Cult Mom. On Tuesday, Cult Mom tried to get out of listening to the grisly details of the way JJ and Tylee were found. However, the judge made her stay at the trial and she fell asleep during the trial. She was asleep for a half hour, knocked out cold, until the end of the day. Maybe they sedated her and gave her something to help calm down, and it made her sleepy. JJ was found buried in red pajamas. Cult Mom's lawyers is arguing that she has an alibi. Her alibi is, I was at my brother's house at the time of the killing. I wasn't there. The prosecutor believed the motive for their deaths was money, power, and sex. JJ had autism requiring a lot of time and energy, taking away from the time Cult Mom spent with Chad, and Tylee was receiving checks from Social Security after her father's death that Cult Mom wanted. Chad Daybell's wife, Tammy Daybell, cause of death is asphyxiation. It's a very sad situation. Chad put a pillow over his wife's face until she couldn't breathe anymore, causing her to fall off the bed, while their kids were home. Their kids heard a loud thump, however they are in denial about Chad, and don't think their father has anything to do with their mother's death. They still believe their mother died from natural causes. You're going to hear a phone call that Chad Daybell made to the Chandler funeral home. He called to get a price for cremation and shipping to Louisiana for Cult Mom's ex-husband Charles Vallow, only a few hours after he was fatally shot by Lori's brother Alex Cox. Chad lied to the funeral home, giving them phony information. He lied about living in Iowa and pretended like he was Charles Vallow's nephew. Cult Mom did end up using this funeral home for her ex-husband's service. The Chandler police made a recommendation for Chad to be charged in Charles' death. However, the prosecutor did not think they had enough evidence to get a conviction.
Funeral home?
Hello, my name is I'm with their calls. How can I help you today?
We just had a death in the family, and we really don't want anything but a cremation, and then to send the cremains to a family in Louisiana. Just a simple, nothing other than a cremation and sending him to his family for a service in Louisiana. So, is there any way to know a ballpark price on that?
Yes, and I'm sorry for your loss.
Thank you.
Okay, let me transfer you over to the director who can assist you with the pricing. What is your name, please?
It is Chad Daybell.
How do you spell the last name, please?
D-A-B-A-L, Daybell.
How are you related to the person who passed?
I'm his nephew.
And then also, this is for the Valley of the Stones in Chandler, correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, he lives there in Chandler. I live in Iowa, so I'm just trying to help out.
Okay, thank you. Yes, what is your uncle's name for reference, please?
He is John Daybell.
And last name?
Well, D-A-B-A-L.
Yeah.
The same. John.
Do you have a middle name?
Myron.
M-Y-R-O-N?
Yeah.
And Chad, what is your phone number in case we get disconnected?
Yes. This number, 515, I don't actually know my own number. Let me look real quick.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Is he at a nursing home, hospital, or residence?
He passed away in a hospital. I don't know the details. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, it's just for, to know, because sometimes it's different if it's a residential or hospital or a nursing home.
I'm thinking they're sending him to the medical examiner. I'm not sure. I should have had more information before I called. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Alright. Cremation with shipping. To which city?
New Orleans. Louisiana. Mm-hmm.
Okay, one moment please, Chad, but stay on the line. Let me transfer you over to the director who can assist you with that.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Hello, Chad?
Yeah.
Thank you for holding. I do have the director, Clarissa, to further assist you.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Funeral Director with Valley of the Sun Cemetery. I understand that your uncle passed away.
Yes, and I'm just starting the process for the family. He didn't have many relatives. I'm his nephew. I live in Iowa. But What
I'm
they
sorry
want
to hear that.
to do is, sad to see him go. Yeah, I think he's going to the medical examiner. I don't know all the details, but what the family basically wants is just to have him cremated there in Chandler and then have his cremains shipped to New Orleans, and we'll
Okay.
bill up the service later. So just trying to get a ballpark price.
Okay. So for a cremation, we are able to do our cremation for $1,695. Now, what that's going to include is the transportation into our care, the transportation to and from our crematory, our basic professional fees, as well as our crematory fee. Now, there's going to be a couple other charges there for you.
Okay.
So we are going to have death certificates, which are $20 a piece, plus a processing fee,
Okay.
$15 permit fee,
All right.
and then we're able to do that transfer through the mail for you, and that's $150 fee for you.
Okay. Like through UPS or something, I guess.
Okay.
So close about 2,000 probably. Kind of a ballpark. Yeah.
Close to, yeah.
Okay. Well, that helps me a lot. I'm going to call one or two others, but I'll get back to you if we come that direction. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, give me a call.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
The last phone call is a prison call between Cult Mom and Chad Daybell. She called Chad while the investigators were in the middle of digging and searching for JJ and Tylee in his backyard. If they were really innocent, why didn't Chad ask the investigators what's going on? What are you doing here in my backyard? Instead, while they were searching, Chad kept looking over his shoulder towards the area where the bodies were buried, and then tried to take off in his car before police arrested him.
And paid for by Lori, an inmate at Madison County Jail. This call is subject to recording and monitoring. If you don't wish to talk, hang up now. Thank you for using Telmates.
Hello?
Are you okay?
No, they're searching the property.
The house right now?
Yeah. None of them is. So, Mark means we'll be talking to you.
Okay. What, are they in the house?
No, they're out in the property.
Are they saving stuff? Again?
They're searching. There's a search warrant, so we'll extend this James. And I tried to set up a call, logic call. So we'll see what transpires. You know, really. What?
What do you want me
Yeah, right. Right. Yeah.
can I do for you?
I'm doing pretty calm. I would call Mark, though, maybe. Just talk with him.
Have you talked to him already?
I did call him, yes.
So he knows what they're doing?
Yeah. Okay. somebody else I need to talk to. I love you so much.
I love you. Should I try to call you later?
I don't know. I don't know. We can try, yeah. I'll answer if I can.
Okay.
I love you, and we'll talk soon.
Okay, baby. Love you.
Okay, love you.